What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So salute to the entire Lunk army, man. We got a couple different articles I want to go over just to keep everybody informed and up to date with what's going on over here. So that way y'all are better informed investors. So we're going to start off with the two articles for sure. We might throw another cherry on top and get into a third article. Y'all let me know, do y'all like Terra Luna Classic updates? So first off, Kaj Labs to burn above 2 trillion Terra Luna Classic tokens. So Lithosphere's gaming series Finesse, a 2-chapter play-to-earn game, has announced its intention to support the ongoing burn program for Terra Classic. Kaj's plans for Lunk burns. Kaj Labs, the team behind the development of the Lithosphere blockchain, said it plans to integrate Lunk into the Finesse game to increase the number of Lunk burns when players use Terra Classic during gameplay. So this is interesting how we're seeing other projects take the initiative to try to do what the community wants. And it's a smart move on their behalf, because one, they're adding value, but at the same time cross-promoting what they have to offer, in turn possibly receiving investors on their end or users for the game. So Kaj Labs added that it would burn all Lunk tokens used in Finesse during gameplay in a bid to accommodate and support the Lunk burn program. Kaj Labs noted that it would allocate between 50 million to 100 million to burn up to 2.5 trillion Lunk tokens. If Terra Classic is implemented in the game, all Lunk used in the game would be burned during gameplay. To accommodate the burn, Kaj Labs will allocate 50 million to 100 million to burn up to 2.5 trillion Terra Classic in Finesse games. Finesse developers said in a statement. Remember, this does not mean that 2.5 trillion Lunk would be burned instantly. Rather, it's just a projection of Terra Classic burns over a certain period of time as the game progresses. Finesse is a 2-chapter gaming series that comprises of 2 play-to-earn games, The Kingdom and Shadow Warriors. Both games feature ninja, samurai, warrior fighting, knights, and vampires, and multiple adventures that players can easily customize to suit their preferences. The team launched this unique non-fungible token today, featuring 100,000 unique characters in 5 categories. Massive boost for Terra Classic investors. Kaj's intention to burn up to 2.5 trillion Lunk tokens will be a huge step to help revive the Lunk value. Recall that Lunk investors suffered huge losses after the Terra ecosystem collapsed in May. So okay, let's check out this other article. So Ethereum's Vitalik claims Terra Luna team engaged in market manipulation. So in a lengthy interview with New York Times columnist Ezra, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik claims that the Terra Luna team attempted to manipulate the market in order to prop up the value of the native cryptocurrency. Vitalik says that no one actually knows what the Terra team was doing with its vast Bitcoin reserves. According to the Canadian programmer, the Terra fiasco shows that decentralization doesn't solve every problem. Even if the algorithm is open and transparent, it's still going to break if it's poorly executed. The mechanism behind the failed blockchain project was just bad economics, according to Vitalik. The Ethereum co-founder recalls that plenty of smart people were saying that Terra was fundamentally bad. As reported by You Today, Terra Luna Classic, the remnant of the failed project, and Luna 2.0 recently experienced a resurgence this September despite Terra founder Do Kwon being reportedly on the run after South Korea issued an arrest warrant against him. Vitalik was surprised by the post-merge price drop. Vitalik also revealed that he was surprised by the drop of the Ethereum price after the much-hyped merge event. The price of the second largest altcoin is down 18% since September 15th, even though Ethereum's transition to proof of stake was a resounding success. To the charging of crypto bulls, it ended up being a sell the news event. So what they mean right there is one of the buy the rumor, sell the news. So basically meaning it wasn't as exciting as people, hope that the FOMO would be around it. So most people don't continue to hold on. They or they just sell at that point. They give up on it basically. Vitalik also believes that the underperformance of U.S. equities also continued to the ETH price drop. So that's another piece of information, and it's up to you to just take all this information, if you're a Lunk investor, and just combine it with what you're already studying with your own due diligence, and just make better informed decisions for it. You can either increase your confidence from the information you hear or decrease your confidence. So Terra Luna pushed out of top 100 as price fails to raise, and me personally, I'm not changing like I told y'all, this is a lottery play for me. So what I have in, which what I tell y'all with every project, never risk more than you're willing to lose. But this is one of the ones I'm looking at like that. So I'm staying up on it. but also I'm not, too invested where it's like I'm 100% confident in the project, so I still have my doubts and uncertainties as well. But at the same time, I understand enough about crypto to know that just because it has a few negative things lined up against it doesn't mean it will automatically fail. A community can, bring a project from the ashes. So, that's what we could end up seeing here with this one. That's why, I call it a lottery ticket play. So, Terra Luna has been shoved out of the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. After failing to demonstrate any growth at the time of publication, Luna ranked as the 106th largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $306 million. Luna was also trading at $2.40, down 4.1% in the last 24 hours and down 7 cents since the past week. Luna's price stalled after a speculative rally in September, drawn from Lunk's 1.2% tax burn plan. The gains were subsequently reversed as traders took profit in the following days. This is why I always try to tell y'all, I don't say you have to take some profits, but I just inform y'all, how to do a little technical analysis so that way you can understand where others are likely to take profit at, so you can decide to join in right there if you want to. Because remember, during a bear market, that means when the market is going down, people who are trading, usually swing traders, day traders, or scalpers, usually make the most money during a down market, because long-term investors are looking to hold over a longer period of time. So when the market is down, most people who are long-term aren't going to really be seeing too many gains, but the people who are buying low, selling high continuously during that time, they're going to make money. But that is a much riskier strategy. You have to know what you're doing in order to do that. You don't have to, but you're going to lose money if you don't know what you're doing. So it's best to learn first before you start trying to day trade. A lot of people ask me that. They say, should I start day trading? And I say no. If you don't understand what you're doing yet, if you don't have the risk tolerance, and you definitely shouldn't be day trading with your main portfolio. Maybe if you want to take a separate little bag of whatever it is to you, something that you don't mind risk losing, and you want to try to day trade with that after you learn a little bit of what you're doing, then that's fine. But aside from that, then I don't recommend it. But if you're interested in learning, how to I have a course for stock options trading, but you can also use it to learn how to trade in general, just to learn how to identify and interpret what's going on with the chart. So if you're looking to day trade and you want to get that course, I generally say my courses are for people who have $1,000 or more invested into the markets, because those people are generally a little at a more serious level. They have a little bit more, to work with and whatnot, because, you're not just gonna it's not a get rich overnight thing. You're gonna lose some money, you're gonna take some hits. You have to it's basically like you gotta pay to play. So yeah, you can trade with paper accounts or accounts with fake money that can help you get an idea of what's going on. I recommend doing that first too. But at the same time, it's not the same as putting money on the line, because when you're doing it with fake money, you don't have those same emotions there that you would when you have real money on the line. So I recommend y'all get the courses. Reach out to me. I got my stock options trading course, my crypto 101 course, or my technical analysis course. My technical analysis course teaches you to break down on how to understand the indicators, the chart patterns, candlesticks on the chart. My stock options trading course teaches you more about trading options in the aspects of actually live trading. You get to see me live trading there, making thousands of dollars, showing you how you can do this yourself. But at the same time, I want y'all just to remember though, it takes, not all the time, it doesn't take money to make money, but you're gonna have to put some skin in the game when it comes to day trading. So if you're afraid of that, then you might not be ready. But that's all we got for this video. We can check out the price real quick. Email me DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com if you're interested in getting a course. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram at DecemberDeMarco. So Terra Classic at 3,000 level right now, holding nicely. Let's take a look at Luna, down 2.6%, sitting at $2.40. So that's all we got for this video. Again, if you're interested in getting any of my courses, reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are